If you just opened Zoom and you need to open the audio or video from your device, do the following. First, tap on the screen of your phone or tablet. Now you will see some buttons on the bottom. Tap on Join Audio and here tap on Call via device audio. It is possible to receive also an allow permission for microphone from Zoom. Tap on allow if this is the case. Now you have connected with audio. After that, just tap on the button Start Video. It is possible to receive also a allow permission for camera from Zoom. Tap on allow if this is the case. Now you have connected with video. You can also easily disable audio and video by tapping the same buttons. If the buttons will be red, then please note that the audio and video are disabled. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.